Okay, so now we're going to have a look at question number 29. Import the builders.csv as a new table into your database. And then we're going to set builder ID as the primary key field, and we're going to create a relationship between the two tables. Okay, so we're going to go to our external data. Again, we're going to import from a text file, CSV, comma separated values as a text file. Browse. We're going to double click on builders, and we're going to add this as a new table. Okay, so separated by commas. First row contains field names. And we have, looks like they are all going to be text fields. Next, choose a primary key, builder ID. Okay, next, and finish. Okay, so now we need to create a one-to-many relationship between the tables, and we need to take a screenshot for evidence that we've done this. So we're going to go to Database Tools, Relationships, and we double click on each of the tables, or click on Add, whichever you prefer. And let's open these out. It's a bit fiddly, this part. Okay, like so. Okay, and we need to create a relationship between the builder ID and the builder ID in each table. So we find our builder ID, and to create the relationship, we click and we hold the button down and drag it to the other builder ID to create a relationship. And we can see we've got the builder ID here and in both tables. Now, this is where we take our screenshot. Very important that you include the relationship type at the bottom where it shows one-to-many. Take a screenshot. You got your Word document. You paste your screenshot, and this is what we're looking for your evidence. Click on Create. And then to save this, when you close it, it'll ask you if you'd like to save. And yes, we need to save that relationship so we can create a query from these tables later. If we don't save the relationship, the query won't come out the right records. Okay? Thank you. That is the end of question 29.